Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Services, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Monday, January 20th. A lot of cold air has arrived in our area. We had an Arctic cold front go through yesterday, and the air is very cold air is continuing to go through our area and northerly flow aloft. Going to be the coldest temperatures for most areas this morning and today. We have a extreme cold warning out until this morning for negative 20 degrees and below for apparent T. That includes wind chill. Temperatures will remain cold all week. We'll have close to apparent T below negative 20 in a couple areas tomorrow morning, but for the most part, it looks like it'll just be this morning, maybe the Arco Desert for tomorrow morning. And then we just gradually warm up, very gradually warm up today, and then we have the next system on Friday, but a very weak system, mostly less than an inch of snow everywhere, maybe 1 to 2 inches on the Montana Divide by Island Park. Again, northerly flow aloft, dry air in our area, very cold this morning. We do have that cold, extreme cold product out through this morning till 9 a.m., and then we'll continue to be very cold tomorrow morning and just cold Wednesday and Thursday, and then we do have that snow for everyone, but very light, as I mentioned, through Friday. Here's the current extreme cold warning for our areas, all the blue ones here. And again, I think the Arco Desert area may see it tomorrow, but we'll let the day shift kind of look at the models on that and see. But again, it will be fairly close just for a small area tomorrow. But I'll show you that. Here's our low temperatures for this morning, very cold. That's the forecast. And then here's the apparent T. Negative 20 is what triggers that extreme cold warning. You can see a lot of the areas across the Snake Plain, as well as our eastern highlands in that. And then our high temperatures today, not very high, in teens, maybe 20s in our extreme west areas, even single digits in our northeast areas. As far as our low temperatures on Tuesday, you can see they're still very cold, not as cold as this morning, but then the apparent T or would include wind chill. Not below negative 20 for most areas. There's maybe a small area in the Arco Desert area, but even then it'd be right. It's a very close forecast whether or not that will occur. But anyway, it's going to be very cold regardless. High temperatures Tuesday, very cold. It does warm up from what we saw for today, or for the forecast for today. And then as you go into here, I'll just go through the next several days, the low and the highs. Which you'll just see the gradual warming trend on both the lows and highs as we go in time. It's Thursday, and as we go into Friday, is that cloud covers, that system coming in. Again, not going to see a lot of snow with it, very light, less than a half an inch most everywhere, except maybe up in the Montana Divide area, by Island Park, maybe 1 to 2 inches. So again, very cold today, this morning. Today's the coldest day. Tomorrow's certainly very cold, and Wednesday and Thursday are cold too, but not as cold. And then Friday, probably near the warmest, but still cold, and have a weak system that day, bringing very, very light snow. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.